assembly of the technique of putting a roller. As you can see, it's in the middle bayonet there. We're going to fix this one through here, like so. Place it on the other one, like so. If you could see the curvature of the roller, that's because the paint will be picked up here and deposited on the rubber roller at the front, thus giving you the consistent pattern. Okay. Now we're going to do first phase of charging your roller up. So you just dip it in the paint like so, pull it back, like so.
It's not spinning.
Like so. Then we're going to move this over here, and to make sure before we put it on the work that we don't have any too heavy pieces, we're just going to do a test run on here, like so. Then what we'll do is, again, like so. And once again, like so. And the very final piece, like so. And there we are. As you can see, sometimes you get heavy pieces here. This is why whenever I do my pattern rolling, I always use a piece of lining paper first as a test project. You're going to get heavy pieces on here. This is why you should always have a spare piece to roll along first of all, prior to putting it onto your final project piece. The other process, because I haven't actually got the right tray here, is you can just get a brush and just dab it on whilst you roll it round, like so. The other alternative you can use, if you feel as though you're not getting enough on, is just to dip it in the tray like so, roll it back, and you'll get a nice even coat. Now we're going to put the second pattern on. Again, we fit it in 0.2 there, and we fit it in 0.2 at the front. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to charge this. As you can see, the roller at the back is charging the rubber roller at the front, like so. And if you feel again you're not getting enough on, you can just tap around the edges there like that. Now we're going to go on to the work.